Okay, the first riff in Big River goes like this, over the E chord. So what's happening there, you're playing 2 on the A, taking that 2 off, putting that 2 back on, taking that 2 off, and then you're going to play the 3rd fret on the E and give it a bend, then open on the E, and then play a chord over the E. So you're putting that 3 on and off. Let's just do that very slowly. One more time. And then over the A chord, you're going to move up 1 string and play pretty much the same riff. So we're going up to D, and play open on the A, strum on the A, open on the E, open on the A, strum, open on the E, then back down to the E chord. And then to finish, we're going to play open on the E, 4, open on the A, and then play a B7 chord starting on the A string on the 2nd fret. Move this finger down to the E string, play that 2 on the E, strum, move this back up to A string, then do that first riff again. And then just at the start of the verse, you're going to hammer on with your first finger. Open E. So open E and then a strum with hammering on this finger. Okay, for the verses, it's basically a bass strum pattern. So you're going to be playing open on the E, and doing a strum down up, then 2 on the A, and then the 2nd chord is an F sharp, and we'll walk up from open on the E to 1 on the E to the actual F sharp shape. Just do the same thing again, bass, then go to that B7 starting on the A string, so let's just play that through slowly. Well, I taught the weeping willow how to cry. Taught the clouds how to cover the clear blue sky. And I don't know if you noticed, you can put in a wee bend on the 3rd fret there from time to time just to spice it up a little bit, but that's not essential, but that's just something that I do. And then, so the tears are cried for you by tea are gonna. When you're doing that, you go from 2 on the A to 1 on the A to go into the A chord, open, strum, you big river, then open, 1, 2, B7, sit down here until I leave. So let's just play that very slowly. Well, I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. Taught the clouds how to cover up the clear blue sky, and the tears that we did at the start. Yeah, folks, that's how you play a big river. I'll see you next time, next week, for another lesson. I think we're going to do Brown Eyed Handsome Man next week by Chuck Berry. So tune in for that. Keep rocking with Colin. Subscribe if you want to get more YouTube lessons, and I'll see you next time.